Today is December the 4th. I'm Matthew Long, and this is everything I traded in my Charles Schwab options account, my year to date performance, and my day change, and how much money I made or lost in today's trading. All right, now as you can see, we're in my Charles Schwab options account, and today is the 4th of December. And today we had a big move back up about 13%, and year to date, we are now back up 102% on this portfolio. If you're wondering why this gigantic move, well, this was definitely a big V. I'm very thankful for this because I was in Lululemon, and part of the risk of writing options contracts, I wrote naked calls. It actually was a strangle, so it was what's called a delta neutral trade. That's where I sell puts and calls as long as the stock moves within a range. You're perfectly fine. However, the difficulty with strangles is that the stock does run and breaks one side of your strangle, that can start to eat away at your profits and also start to create a loss. And for me, I try to average that back in and rolling it, and it just got a little worse for me as the week progressed last week. So, with that, the calls that I did write short or naked were assigned to me about 1,400 shares worth. That's $600,000. Never would I recommend anyone do that. That is incredibly high risk. However, I've been doing this for several years now. And I will be honest with you, I was a little uneasy with this, mainly because we are in an earnings week and Lululemon will present after the bell on Thursday. However, when I woke up this morning, Lululemon did pull back. There was a retreat. And as soon as it got to a point where I felt this is good enough, I took that and I exited the stock. Really, what I would like to see now moving forward with that stock is I would love more than anything for it to continue to be overbought with overzealousness and it make a parabolic move and perhaps move up to $500 a share. Because if it does, I'm telling you right now, it sets up for a beautiful short sale there. Um, Anyways, we'll continue to monitor Lululemon as the week progresses for earnings, but let's go ahead and look at my risk on trades moving forward the rest of this week. As for my risk on trades, I don't have any equity positions. Unfortunately, I exited my American Airlines position, which I was really happy about, but I had to free up liquidity to basically trade back in that Lululemon. However, I did hold my calls that I bought for American Airlines. I'm running out of time on these. I bought these at the $15 strike at the end of today's trading. As you can see, we ended right here about $13.36. So we're a ways off from hitting that mark. And honestly, we got a little bit of a move up here, but my basis is still not really where I want it to be. So long story short, we'll continue to monitor that trade. And then ultimately the Lululemon, I was in this equities position today. And as I told you, as soon as it got down to about $352, I went ahead and exited. And that's why we're up so much on this portfolio. Now let's take a look at my options positions. And for my options positions, there's that American Airlines. I've got 400 contracts at that $15 strike. I've seen this stock move 10%. I've seen it happen several times, especially this time of year. This stock tends to run. A lot of your travel stocks do. Usually end of the year, first quarter. So keep an eye on that. If you like to trade airlines, it is definitely a trading vehicle, not something I would want to hold for long term. And then my other position that I did put on is I wrote some puts. I am slightly bullish on the leg down that Meta had. So right now we're selling that 305 put. With that trade, as long as the stock stays above 305 in trading by the end of this Friday, we'll be good. We'll make a nice little profit on that. But as of right now, that's the only thing I felt comfortable with trading this week. And we'll continue to monitor these two trades. And I might put on some more trades here as the week progresses if opportunities arise. Guys, I absolutely love trading. In these videos, there's some other great creators out there that have buy and hold strategies. Kenneth has a great channel out there. If you watch him, Stock Dads has an awesome channel as well. A lot of awesome creators out here. I just wanted to dedicate this channel specifically for stock. My other channel, I'm just going to do fun videos about budgeting, saving money, and other little things to help people with personal finance. But this channel, this is going to be nothing but stock because, again, this is truly my love and something that I really enjoy doing. And if you enjoy these videos, this is all this channel will be, is how I trade stocks, kind of my sentiment and how I make these trades and kind of what goes in my mind as I'm making these trades. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? See ya.